Assalamu alaikum, brother. See, I open already for mechanical parts. Okay. See, all parts we open. See, this is chassis damage from here. This is the chassis. See? And this brake pipe also broken. And all parts we need. All parts. Like steering rod, like arm, this one, jumping hub. Complete parts need for mechanical. I told you already. This right side complete parts with the sensor. This see the sensor broken, brake pipe cutting. See, small parts, too much. Anyway, inshallah we'll finish it. See, brother, also the door panel, door pillar is also damaged. We open the, see, this is damaged. I open the fender and I'll send you the video. See, brother, we have finished chassis already. This panel also we done already. Door fixed, seat fixed, seat fixed. Okay. This airbag fixed, downside airbag fixed. Almost done all work.